haven't really done anything. Just kind of resting. And today, since I haven't planned anything, I think I'm gonna finish putting up the sound sheets and then maybe kind of clean up my solar wire setup because I need to condense that and put that in a good spot. I would do more, but I still don't really feel well. Well, I feel better. I feel like it's at the point where I need to start like walking and moving to like, you know, remind my body we are healthy now. So, that's what I'm gonna do. It's more than enough. Cool.
But I can't see, I can't get no sleep. Baby, it's just luck.
I'm very excited to have this van done.
How we came outside.
I know I'm still such a long ways out, but it is going to be so good.
And you were only passing.
I don't really know where I want to go first, like when it's done.
I can't seem
like what I want to do. Or how long I even want to be in it. What if I freaking hate it? What if I'm bored and lonely all the time? I hope not. I could be though. I like to be social-ish. Sometimes.
It's like a wildfire in my heart. It's
Love is so cautious. Oh no. Oh no. Well.
I wrote your bed in the clouds and played with your desire stars. You're used to the drug of your sleeps past the box and drugs. I have it my days. Take your fill.
So, that was fast. That really only took 10 minutes. I guess I'm gonna clean and do the clipping of this. Just a little annoying. It's just tedious is all. Oh fuck. Why do every time I do this, I forget I have coffee and I spill it? I'm just gonna leave that there. They're cute. They're short end here. And I'm gonna drill them onto a piece of plywood, so they're gonna be on this like board, and I can take the board out from behind the battery, so anytime I need to like change or add to my setup, it's like all right there.
How convenient.
I thought it was clever myself.
Everybody here asking me if I'm alright.
But it hurts, 'cause we survived. Night long, and go long and long time, but you won't know.
I forgot how freaking loud that is. Keep those a minute.
Like wild attention.
Alright, so I clipped everything and shortened it all so that I could fit it on this kind of board. Once I have my actual walls up, I'm gonna figure out how to place it on there. Or maybe even just like set it behind it so that I'll have super easy access to my solar setup in case I ever want to change anything. Yeah, now I have like freaking perfect access and it's super light and it's gonna make it all a lot cleaner. So that's it, easy day.